Today we're fixing something that you all love about my car.
Well, that wasn't that bad. Forgot she raised it.
I'm so excited. Oh. Send it or not? Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna send it. This road is so bad. Car accidents every like day. Fam, today we have something really special. I told you guys we weren't playing this year. Come on. Today we're fixing something that you all love about my car. The one thing you all love about my car, so if you guys can guess, comment down below. It's a heavy tip for
Not bad,
that small
honestly.
pipe that I already have. I'm excited. It's been long awaited.
Yeah, I can see it. It's like halfway gone.
In the arms of the angel, fly away from here.
Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no, 'cause I got you, babe. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no, 'cause I got you.
I'm sure Steph will tell you guys what happened, but yeah. It left the chat. As you guys can see, it's left the chat.
But it don't matter, no, 'cause nobody wanna see us together. Nobody thought we last forever. I feel them hoping and praying things between us don't get better. Boys started coming after you, girls started coming after me. Seems like everybody wanna go for some, but don't wanna respect boundaries. Telling me walk those lines to get on your side, but I must admit there was a
Well, that wasn't that bad. Forgot she raised it. Is this for life, bro? You see this hanger? Oh yeah, I don't even. It's like a chicken arm. Little bumper.
Hey, Cartoon, you got another one?
It's not bad to be fiberglass. Yeah. Sometimes you see all like wavy. Oh my god. I got that all on footage.
My souvenir.
Oh my God! Wow!
Clean cut. How much does it weigh?
30 pounds?
Oh wow, that's convenient.
You gotta see the tank now.
I thought it was just that.
For real!
The tank has the gas to.
Yeah. It's like a bomb.
That's huge. The ones at my job are like this tall. Riding around with that, isn't that dangerous? It's not flammable. It's not.
Oh no.
It's argon, yeah. Fire.
I have an actual tip. That looks really nice. That looks good.
Those look good.
Yeah, the cut is like perfect. The bumper, I would have like messed it up myself if I did it myself. Yeah.
Now you don't have a damn
Wow.
dangling pipe.
Now nobody better step on it.
Now if
Trip
you
on
hit,
it.
oh my god, that's gonna hurt so bad. Sideways, you can.
Woo! Guys, please go make sure you follow all the socials of JP. He's the one that got my car started and also this perfect weld that you guys see here. beautiful weld, easy and perfect.
YouTube channel name is JP Perez. On Instagram is jp.hn.
We'll follow that right now. Oh, hello, cute baby. If you guys were wondering how to not miss a flip, what I usually do is I get my phone and I try to see how the tire life is looking. Either record or you can just use it as a mirror. Fresh out the shower. Today we're gonna be flipping the tire so we don't miss the flip. Careful with the quarter. No, I guess this tire had a couple runs in it. Rather safe than sorry. It's pretty bald though. No stitching at all because we catch the flip on time. Gosh, almost forgot seatbelt. Of course, seatbelt. I'm freezing. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. It feels so healthy. Thank you, God. Thank you. Everything feels really good right now. What's going on here? There was birds in the middle of the road. Send it or not? Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna send it. This road is so bad. Car accidents every day. Is it on my right side? Where's the gas tank? Gas tank on the right side? Gas tank, I'm trying to remember. It's on the left side. Hope. Bro, if it's not on my left side. That was so bad. I stalled. Praying right now it's on the left side. We're at the gas station.
Go ahead.
Oh! Please give this video a like, comment down below, subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you don't miss out on my next video. Next video is also going to be fire, so please turn that on so you get notified as soon as I post it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in till the end. I love you all, I appreciate you all, and stay safe and stay blessed.
Go ahead.
so bad.